look more professional. Headings assigned on the same style, heading 1, for example. Well, actually in this, okay, I'll show you the WPS. Well, actually in WPS, it already assigned several styles. You see here in the home tab, This is for the content, text. This is for headings with level 1. You see this one? That means level 1. For example, if I input, okay, and I select it and change it to be heading 1. You see, it's changed to this font and it's bold, and the size is set as the second one. Okay. Apart from that, once you set the headings, you see, you open this view and you will have a navigation page. You change it to text. You see, there's no heading here because the text page only shows the headings. You see this one? Okay. Apart from that, if I input this one and I change it to this one, you see it's considered as a part of heading. Once you put this one, then it disappears. But if you unfold the heading, because it's considered as a part of the large part. Okay, so that's why the heading the style is very important. But the styles I just showed you is the office itself, but you can also design some styles yourself. Well, first we'll say something about style and templates. Every document comes with built-in styles. Actually, the style I show you in WPS is the built-in style. And you can create your own style to supplement styles from a template. For that matter, you can create a template, populate it with styles you design, and use your new template to create distinctive letters or reports for complete. A simple document created with a blank document template, a document that you create by pressing Ctrl and N. Remember that Ctrl and N means new document. You see, actually it's the same as a new document, just a blank. Well, when it comes to this document, then it contains several styles. And this one, named title, is used for, you see, for the left part, it's just the text itself. But once you, after you apply this title style to the notice to all passengers, it's changed to this color and this size. And this is subtitle. You see, it's changed to the blue ones, the slight blue ones. And this emphasis is changed to gray color and italic. And for this part, it's another styles. Take this picture for and after this class, you are asked to do the exercise reports to be as similar as possible to the picture. So after this class, you have to spend some time to be familiar with font size and color. Well, Uh, for types of things, understand the symbol next to each style name tells you what type of style you are dealing with. Word of 4 style types. Okay, I come to this page. Okay, this one is the paragraph style. It determines the formatting of an entire paragraph. A paragraph style can include these settings: for font, paragraph, tab, border, language, bullets, numbering, and text effects. Okay, when it comes to text effects, in the formal classes, okay, for this, in the WPS, it's easier to find the text effects. You see, they are called text effects, and it offers several text effects for the fonts. Okay, this is just an example of text effects. Okay. Well, paragraph styles are marked with the symbol. This one, the symbol. And for this one, this A, it's marked A for character styles. Apply to text, not to paragraphs. You can select text. You see, you have to select text first. Then you can apply the character style. The font, border, language, and also text effects. Well, you see the difference. It also, in paragraphs, it also has font, border, language, and text effect. But for paragraph, it also has something others. For example, for this paragraph, do you remember the line space between paragraphs? Okay, I'll go back to the word. Okay. For example, I can, okay, just use this one. I can change the line space in the paragraph, line space. So for example, this one, and there may be some, let me see, 0, 0. When it comes to this one, you see the line space is different. So the character is different. The character style is different to paragraph style because the paragraph style also contains more permits than character styles. Well, for this one, they are called linked paragraphs. Linked because, but we merely use that. Well, this kind of style apply paragraph formats as well as text formats throughout the paragraph. These styles are marked with double symbols, the paragraph style and the character style. They are complex. Well, Word offers several methods to apply style, and you are invited to choose the one that works best for you. Well, this part explains how to apply style and tell Word how to place. Where style names are presented for your enjoyment and pleasure. Well, actually, we merely store the style. We just store the documents. Once we have to use the style, we just copy the. But here, we still have to know something about styles. Well, for applying a style, if you want to apply a style, well, the first thing about applying a style is select the part that changes the style. Well, first select. Remember the method of selection? Okay, move your mouse to the beginning of the part you want to select, then drag the mouse over the text. Okay, this is the first thing. After that, if you want to apply the style from a paragraph or to a paragraph or paragraphs. Then you need to click you need to select the paragraph. Then your text, you just select the letters you want to apply style or formatting. Then you apply style. Apart from that, let me see. For style gallery, see. Well, is there anyone? Let's see. Okay. Well, this part is on home tab. Choose a style in the style gallery. Yeah, well, it depends on your side of the screen. You may have to click the style button first. But here, sometimes you see, if the interface of Word is not enough, so the style is here. You cannot see it. You may have to click the arrow to find it, or you just maximize the screen. Maximize the window to the screen, then you can find the style gallery. Well, this part is the style gallery. Well, this figure shows where style gallery is located. Format letters about each style name. Let me see. You see the name? This one, they're called normal. They're called no space. They are called headings. You see, it all have a name. And the name in the gallery show you what the style choice will do to paragraphs or text. You can new preview the styles on the style gallery by moving the pointer over style names. Okay, I'll show you the effect. Okay. Well, after you select it, if you are not satisfied with the appearance, you can change it to another case. Yeah. And there are well, WPS do not have style panes. You see, this one is style panes. WPS does not support style panes, but take it easy. The built-in style is enough because the styles pane also contains some styles built by yourself. But although since WPS does not support style, to save the document, to save the style for next. For in case sometimes you may have to use a style. So for WPS, it does not support style panes, but you can store the document to save the style. Okay. Well, let me show you how to apply style from one document to another. Okay. For example, if I want to apply this style, okay, you select it and you click the style brush, then you click it, then it's changed to this one. So although WPS does not have a style pane, you can copy the style from one document to another. Well, to strip a paragraph or text of its style and give it generic normal style, you can select it and choose clear formatting in style gallery and clear all at the top of style panes. You see this one? Or you can just click the normal in this part. Okay, this part, normal. If you want to remove all the style, just click the normal, okay? Well, experiment with style sets. A style set is a slight variation in styles in template you choose when you created a document. This figure shows example of style sets. Style sets include classical, elegant, fancy, and modern. Choosing style sets impose a slightly different look on your document. You make it classical, more elegant, fancy, or more modern. All templates, even though you create yourself, offer style sets. Style sets are a convenient way to experiment with the overall look of the document. Well, this page, you see there are 1, 2, 3, 4 picture. And this is the exercise report you have to do. Well, I just send the exercise report to you on this class. On next class, you have the time to finish the exercise report, okay? And to finish it as soon as possible, you have to be familiar with the color, the font, the size, and the text effect, okay? Well, this part is for choosing a style name. One of the challenge of applying style is finding the right style to apply the style gallery, style pane, or apply style task pane. This one, the task pane. But the Office does not support task pane. Just be familiar with how to create the style. That's enough. Well, to decide for yourself which style name, but for our office, you have to decide for yourself which style name appear in the style pane and apply style task pane. Click the style group button on the home tab and in the style pane, click the option link. You can find the link near the bottom of the pane. You see the style pane option dialog box showing you this figure on this figure. Well, you can select style to show. Well, select the style you want to show. And you can select how list is sorted. This is one. Well, choose an option to describe how to list the style, except for based on. Based on means as a built-in styles. Well, the based on option list styles is in alphabetical order according to which style is based on. Well, you can also select formatting to show as a style. This is one. Choose options to declare which style list to list. Those that pertain to paragraph level formatting, fonts, and bulleted and number list. You can also select how built-in style names are shown. Choose option to tell how to handle built-in styles to the obscure styles that Word applies on its own when you create tables or the contents and other self-generating lists. You can also apply to document or text as well. Well, for creating a new style, you can create a new style by creating it from a paragraph or build it from a ground up. Ground up means just the normal part, the normal style. Well, it's a big job to create a style. Build it from the ground up because styles you create this way can be made part of the template you are currently working in and can be copied to our document. Well, I already told you that the WPS does not support style pane, so you have to save the document to save the style. Well, let's see. So, well, if you want to create a style from ground up, that means normal text. You can click the new style button, but there's no new style button in WPS, so if you want to create a style, you can create it on other, or just create a document. And here, for the NuMat form formatting, it contains a lot of information. First thing is the name. You can enter a descriptive name for style. Second is the style type. Do you remember that we have different kinds of styles, the paragraph and the character. If your style is similar to a style that is already part of the built-in, so you can select the style based on. But if there's no style, there's no built-in style for you, you can choose no style. Because built-in style, if the style is similar to the built-in style, then it saves you a lot of time. Saves you a lot of time. Helps you to save time for creating a style. Well, style for the following paragraph. For this part, you can choose style from a drop-down list. If style you are creating is always followed by an existing style. For example, a new style called chapter title might always be followed by a style called chapter introduce paragraph. For convenience, someone who applies a style you are creating and pressing enter automatically applies the style you choose here on the next line of the document. For formatting, you see this one, it contains the part for font size, if it's bolder, and if it's italic or underline. And this one works for the color. For this part, it designs the methods for alignment. To left, this one to left, to the middle, to right, or balanced. And this one is line space for 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, and this is used for also line space. And indentation. This one also works for indentation. So for this part, you can see the effect of your settings. If you are not satisfied with this appearance, you can change the style. The other one. Okay, no one's the message. And if you want to change some styles, well, if you click the, let me see. If you want to change styles, a part of the styles, all you have to do is change, if you want to change a part of your style in, let me say, maybe 100-page document. So you just change the style settings. Then it will work for all the paragraph, all the document. And after you modify a style, all paragraphs or text to which the style was applied are instantly changed. You don't have to go back and reformat text and paragraphs throughout your document. And here it comes to template. Well, in every document, it is beneficial to store styles for documents. In the act of creating a document, you choose a template, and the styles on the template becomes available to you when you work on your document. For example, when you select bank template in the new document, new window, or press Ctrl and N, you create a document with a blank document template. A relatively simple template with few steps. When you create a document with a template from office.com, some online template, then more styles are available to you because these templates are more sophisticated. Save time from formatting your document, you are invited to create a template with styles that you know and allow. You can create a new template on your own or create a template by assembling the styles from our templates and documents. So that's why I ask you to save the documents to save styles. Well, here is some steps for creating templates. You can create a new document or open a document with styles you can recycle. Then save the document, but not just save, to save as. And browse, you click the browse button to select the location where you want to save. And save it as Word template. Well, I'll show you how to do the operation. For example, this one, does not choose save. You see this one, this symbol, this is save, but this one is save as. It can be saved and edit. This is save as. And here, you see this one, the one ended with DOT, this document. That's the template. The DOT is a template. And once you select the template, it can be reused. Well, go back to section. Well, since the chapter 3 is already finished, so you may begin to do the exercise reports. I just send it to the WeChat group. Okay, I will introduce the exercise report for a lot of this one. Well, neglect the document. I send the wrong document. This one. First exercise report. Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 picture in the Excel report. All you have to do is select the styles and text and paragraphs to get the appearance as similar as possible. If you are exactly the same as the picture, you will have 100 mark for this Excel report. So it may take a lot of time for you to find the the font, the size, and the text effect and the line space. So apart from this class, you still have next class to finish the Excel report. Okay. Do you have any question about the? Yeah, you should be. Let me see. As similar as possible. If your lot words is similar to that, if it's that the appearance is different, then what? Yeah, not a picture. Not a picture. You should paste the text. Yeah, paste the text inside the Excel report. Yeah. So it may take a lot of time. That's why I give you a lot of time to finish that.
When's when is the deadline?
Next Tuesday. Next Thursday, because today is Friday, so next Thursday. Next Thursday. And next class we still have time.
No, the
I give you
next.
time. Yeah, I give you time because I know there are several courses for you this semester. I give you time to finish. What? 1 week. Yeah, 1 week. And as I also give you the time on a class. Try to be try to be exactly the same. Okay. Okay, and you can ask me some questions, but not the content. You can ask me where to find the font, where to find the size, the color, and the line space, but do not ask me the exact answer. Okay. No, no, no. You have to. That's why I asked you to be familiar. That's an operation to be familiar with the office by yourself. I have the answer. I have the answer, but I cannot give you. Be familiar with the font and the size and the text effect. Okay. Well, is there any new students who into the council meeting a little later? If there's no one who are late for the class, I just copy the attendance of first class.